I can just talk about it, and if I was incorrect, you guys can correct me anytime.
Okay.
So basically, we started with identifying the problem. So basically, we want to redesign. Where was the map? Well, we can just use this. So we're gonna redesign the part beside Panda Express, basically, next to Panda Express. That was originally a dining zone. With so according to our observations, people normally would like to go there, have food, and then maybe meet with friends, chat up, and also have some semi-formal conference meetings at that place. So our goal is to redesign a place so that people could have food for one, also have meetings for two, have multimedia support for three, have a public gathering space for four. So that's basically the four goals we were trying to accomplish with our new design. And the new design comes in this way. So basically we divide this area up into, I would say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. This part, which corresponds to here, is a public gathering space. So we have a screen, a huge screen, have several chair, tables, couches, so that people could just lie down there and then watch football game, project a football game on the screen, and then watch it together. Or if someone want to give a public speech, he or she could just use that stage as a place to grab other people's attention.
And also like those career fairs, those big companies come here and they provide you free food. They can also make use of this place.
Right. And then the second area will be the middle part, which will be just the dining zone, because most people would just meet with a small group of friends, their social group, and then have dinner together. So basically, we provide these round tables, which allow like 5 or 6 people sit together with their own screen. So you can either just watch TV or plug their computers to the screen and then have their own display. Basically, you don't have to share one big screen with everybody else. These are the compartments, which with removable walls. So we don't want to make this super formal. Basically, what we have is something like a Huang basement. So the walls are removable and it's sort of open, but it also gives other people this kind of sense of privacy, so that you know that people are having a meeting there. You don't want to disturb them. We have tables there. We have a display. Everything you could imagine in a normal conference room. So we have 3, potentially more if we have additional space. We also have as many conference rooms as possible on the other side. So on the 2 sides, on the 2 wings, are conference rooms. We also have something like this. We'll call this ordering machine. Basically, you don't want to go to Panda Express to order while you're having a conference. So each conference room has this ordering machine where you can just order there, and people from Panda Express or Union Square will just deliver food to the room. So that'll be awesome. So this area will have a few cluster, I would say just computers for people to use if you want to do serious work. Potentially, I would imagine this room will be separated from the other parts because you don't want to really bring food to computers, right? So probably we'll have walls to wall it up. That's pretty much it. And then this area will lead to Panda Express.
Okay.